Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. It's day 2 of the controlled hunt in November. Last year we got a nice little buck out of this corner where I put up a stand this year. Yesterday I came down here. I saw 5 deer and 1 coyote. They were well on the other side of the other field, so no shooting opportunities. But this morning we come down our trail and I got a late start, so it was already light out and there's already 5 deer standing out in the field on my way to get to my stand. So I just quickly let out a call, and before I know it, they just turned and they came straight across the field right at me. I got down on my knees. I barely had time to even do anything, and sure enough, the biggest doe, the one that I was planning on taking, came right up within 5 yards of me. So let's go see. She should be laying down rest right over here. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera, but right on the edge of the field, right behind me, I was sitting right where I am right now on my knees, and the doe came up right on the edge of the field right in front of me. So we're talking less than 5 yards for this shot. So here she is laying, and you can see my blind's right behind us. It's less than 20 yards from my blind. I didn't even make it that far this morning. Pretty incredible. So now we have to go get a stick, get our rope. We always carry that in our backpack. And now we can drag this doe back up to the truck. Don't forget to always carry a saw. I'll put a link in the description for this guy right here. Nice little inexpensive saw to have with you. Orange, so when you drop it, you don't lose it. So now that we got our deer back to the truck, first thing we have to do now is fill out our tag. Make sure that we're fully legal. It has to be attached on the deer at the kill site. So before we even drive out with this, we're gonna make sure our tag is affixed to this deer. The important part about the tag is you have to notch it with the month, date, time, everything you did to get that deer. So that's very important. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to notch this, and then we'll get it on our deer. Well, there you have it, folks. We have her dragged out and loaded into the truck. If you're wondering how to load a deer by yourself in the truck, watch my previous video, November Hunt, $2 down. I'll show you how you can load this by yourself. It's pretty straightforward and easy. It takes a bit of work, but you can do it. So now that we got her in the truck, we're waiting for our other gentleman who's next concession over. So we figure we might as well enjoy the fruits of our labor and relax. Now, if only I had some Baileys to put in this, but beggars can't be choosers. We got a deer in the truck, and that's all that matters. So remember, it's life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it. Oh, so good.